Hi, today we are going to learn how to prepare DSO report in Excel. So, order to prepare, DSO. First of all, we should understand what is a DO or DSO. So, DSO nothing but days sales outstanding. That how to all the companies, most of the companies, account receivables, even the retails, many of the people, everybody they're performing DSO. See, if the DSO is controlled, the cash flow is happening on time. So that is a major consideration for all the companies. As if the DSO is as per their terms, actually terms and condition whatever it is there. If it is there below that, cash flow is happening on time. If it is overcrossing the DSO, it is not under their control. I mean cash flow is not happening on time. So this is for this only everybody considering DSO and they're maintaining a DSO. So now simple method I will will learn today, and advanced kind of things. There is a different DSO formulas depending upon the companies, but most two formulas, that one considering for CFO as well as auditors. For simple methods, if you want to perform the certain certain things, what is a DSO, somebody is asking, that is a simple way and main method it will be using across all the credit controls and other retailers or whatever it is, air peoples. So now let me show you how to prepare the DSO. Now the DSO is nothing but first we should take the account receivable amount ending, I mean closing balances, and divided by the current month sales, whatever it is happening, divided by, that is after taking that we are dividing it into the account receivables as well as credit sales, multiply by number of credit days, and it means how many days credit period we have provided to the customers. So let me demonstrate the formula. Now we can see on my screen there is a formula here, already I have shown it, it is there visible. So ending account receivable and credit sales for the month divided by after that it is divided by and again multiplied to the credit days. So now let me demonstrate this formula in Excel. Now first we don't have any closing balances, only we have opening balances, sales and collections. We should get the first closing balance, then we can perform with this formula, because of see already the sales is there and again opening balance is there, collection is there. Now I need to get the closing balance. To order to get the closing balance, we should first take the opening balances plus sales minus collections. So now let me take this one, opening balances, after that sales minus collect. Now we should perform this DSO formula here to get the what is the DSO. So that's sales outstanding. So now let me demonstrate the formula here, how to prepare the option. That is the simple way method, equal to, here it is say what is the account receivable, right? Account receivable is my closing balances. Now closing balances divided by credit sales for the month. The current month sales is what is that? 20 means 20 crores multiply number of credit days. That is depending upon your company, depending upon the company, how much credit they're providing to the customers. Here it is 60 days in my case. So if your company cases, if it is 90 days, you can put it in 90. So it will give an appropriate answer. What is the DSO of your current organization, ABC Pharmas and XYZ Chemicals and MLN Electronicals. Like that, we can easily calculate the DSO. One, we should apply only one way, and if we drag down automatically, it's come to the all the companies. This is an easy way method to identify the DSO. So now, what are the auditors and as well as CFO will use? So let me show you this video. And next video, I'm going to do that. In Excel, and I'll put it in the YouTube. So the what is the formulas mostly used for auditors? Here there is one more formula. So this is probably it is used for auditors. Third, so there is one more third method. It's a rolling method. Rolling method is more CFOs, as well as auditors and other companies. They love this formula because of average 3 months sales they're taking and others 3 months collection they're taking. Considering that, they will be preparing the DSO report. It means it's approximately what is exact DSO of each company. Whether see sometime or will happen 1 month plus month you will pay credit before the credit term. Sometimes you will not pay the credit terms after 20 days, either 120 days. So in this case, what will happen? The DSO will get it is not appropriate in flexible time. Sometimes they will often go. So what the CF will do? always they'll be taking a 3 months. Wherever you go, so 99% CFOs they will be considering this formula because of highly they will be considering this one only. So this formula I'll be doing in my next video. So in this whatever I done the video now, if you have any doubt, put it on the comment so that I can update in my next videos. If there is any errors, either if you want any more clarification or what is the case for how to prepare it, if you're getting confusion, so you can put it on YouTube, whatever it is, whatever it may be, put it on the comment. Let me do it in the video. Okay. Yes. Thanks for this watching video. Catch up next week. Next week. Then, bye.